In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Pipedrive CRM. This integration can streamline your project management and sales processes significantly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive into the steps for linking Trello with Pipedrive. The first thing you'll want to do is enable the Pipedrive power-up in Trello. Start by logging into your Trello account and navigate to the specific board where you want this connection to happen. Once you're on your board, look towards the top right corner and click on the Menu or Power-Ups option. This will take you to the Power-Ups directory. In the search bar, type in Pipedrive. When you find it, click on the button to add or enable the integration. This will install the official Pipedrive Power-Up on your board. Next, we need to authorize the connection between Trello and Pipedrive. You'll see a Pipedrive button appear on your board after installing the Power-Up. Click on it, and a login window will pop up. Here, enter your Pipedrive login credentials. After you log in, it's essential to review the permissions that Trello is requesting. Click Allow or Authorize to grant Trello access to your CRM data, which includes your deals and contacts. Once that's done, it's time to configure your workflow. Go back to the settings next to the Pipedrive Power-Up in your board menu. Here, you can customize how Trello and Pipedrive communicate with each other. For example, you can set up automations like automatically creating a Trello card whenever a new deal is added in Pipedrive. This is super useful because it keeps your project management organized without any manual effort. You can also choose which specific Trello list should receive these new cards, and even define which stage of your Pipedrive pipeline triggers the creation of a card. This level of customization allows you to tailor the integration to fit your specific workflow perfectly. Now let's talk about linking cards and deals. This feature allows you to manually connect existing Trello cards to specific Pipedrive deals or contacts. That way, you can keep your project history closely tied to your sales records, making it easy to see the bigger picture. After you've set your rules and customized the integration, make sure to click Save to apply these configurations. The final step is to test the integration to ensure everything is working smoothly. A simple way to do this is by creating a test deal in Pipedrive. After you've created the deal, check to see if it appears in the designated Trello list you set up earlier. Alternatively, you can also open a Trello card to verify that the connected Pipedrive deal information is now visible there. And that's it. You've successfully connected Trello to Pipedrive CRM. This integration will help you stay organized and keep your sales and project management in sync. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your workflow. Happy organizing!